This is Wink News at 6.
It's day 2, 2 days that a gas pipe is spewing liquefied gas straight into the air. I'm Amanda Holland for Chris Safati.
And I'm Lois Tomey. A section of road where the leak is still shut down. Wink News reporter Emma Heaton looks at what and how long it could take to fix the leak.
First, Fort Myers Shores said expect repairs to take 48 hours. Then the Florida Department of Transportation said 72 hours, maybe more.
I thought they'd fix it right away, and it turns out it's going to take several days to fix it.
George Tazinski was not exactly thrilled to learn the intersection of State Road 31 and Palm Beach Boulevard will be closed. Maybe into the weekend. The drive around to 75 North and then up to Bayshore will take him an extra 20 minutes at least. FDOT spokesperson Janella Newsom told me there's no choice. Crews need time and space to cap the natural gas leak.
They need 24-hour access to that road so that they can bring in whatever heavy equipment or machinery that they might need for the repairs. So they don't want anything to impede their progress.
Early Wednesday morning, a contractor working for FDOT ruptured the gas line. It's been spewing into the air ever since. Tico, the owner of the gas line, said its plan is to install a new pipe to bypass the damage.
The bottom line is they're trying expeditiously as they possibly can to fix the repairs. Or complete the repairs, I should say.
Tico says the pipeline is 15 feet deep, delivers natural gas to approximately 25,000 customers. But the good news in all of this is that no customers have lost service. Emma Heaton, Wink News.
Now, FDOT will not identify the contracting company that ruptured the line, but, quote, believes the gas line was marked prior to the company starting to drill. That leaves another question. If the line was marked, why did the crew hit the line? FDOT says that's under investigation.